what's up guys? Hope everybody's doing well and having a great day. In this video, we're going to Dallas, Texas and Marana, Arizona. Going to look at a couple of unusual objects, one in the daytime sky and one in the nighttime sky. Also in this video, I've got a brand new picture slideshow, new sky phenomena photos, sent up from all around the world. But first, over here at the website, something new I'm starting. If you want to wish somebody a happy birthday, send me an email to michael@earthwatchman.com. This is going to be the new birthday banner over here at the website, earthwatchman.com, and you can find this website linked down below in the description box. Send me an email, and in the email, simply include their first name and last initial. I will put their name on this birthday banner for the entire day of their birthday. Give me a 2-day notice so I have plenty of time to get all this together. And again, send it to this email address so I can keep the birthday requests separate from the photos and videos that you guys send in. So once again, there's no catch. If you want to wish somebody a happy birthday, we're going to start doing birthday shout outs, and I will mention their birthday in the video that we do for that day. So something new we're going to try out for a while, see how it goes. Since we're here at the website, quick look at the Schumann resonance. You can see in the last 36 hours, there's been a little bit of activity in the Schumann resonance. Look for that to continue. Coming over here to the Space Weather Prediction Center, the GOES X-ray flux, multiple M-class solar flares today as a large active region is turning towards the Earth. The largest one we've seen in a long time. Also received a photo out of Ormond Beach, Florida by the Flipster from yesterday of that very same sunspot region you see right there. You can clearly see the 3 sunspots. That was taken with probably an H-alpha filter and possibly a telescope. This is from the Solar Dynamics Observatory, and you can see they do match. There's 3 very large sunspots that are turning towards the Earth right now as I do this video. Looking at the planetary K-index, right now it's pretty quiet, but that is definitely subject to change as these large dark sunspots are slowly but surely turning towards the planet. Hopping over to the Yellowstone supervolcano caldera, looking at the seismographs that monitor the mighty supervolcano. A little bit of earthquake activity along the eastern edge of the caldera, albeit small earthquakes, but nevertheless, that's earthquake activity at a supervolcano. You can see the dark blue represents magma intrusion across various seismographs at the supervolcano. Right now, just a few small earthquakes, primarily on the east side of the supervolcano caldera. Want to go up to Lake Mead, checking on the water level at Hoover Dam. Another new record, 1,057 feet. You can see the blue down here is 2022, the green line is 2021, and the red line is 2020. And you can see the huge difference from 2020 to 2022. In 2020, it was 1,097 feet, and right now it's 1,057 feet. So in 2 years, it's dropped over 40 feet, and that's the primary water source for millions of people. I want to take you guys now over to Dallas. Video footage sent in by Deb D as she was driving down the road and she noticed an unusually large bright light off to her left. She did this video on the fly as she was driving her car down an interstate, and you can see this big colorful object over here off to the left. It's got some green and red that appears to be around the bright white object in the nighttime sky. Don't claim to know what this is. Neither did she. She just happened to notice it as she was driving down the road. That was a pretty good view right there of the color around this object. Not the moon. Doesn't appear to be any type of star or an airplane or a helicopter. It appears to be stationary. The car is moving, and she's moving obviously with the car. That's the movement we see in the video, but some sort of an unusual object in the sky above Dallas, Texas. Going to Marana, Arizona. This is in between Tucson and Phoenix. Video footage sent in by Carl. It's from April 9th of 2022. Granted, what we're looking at here appears to be some sort of a balloon in the daytime sky. I'm estimating this to be around 10,000 feet in the air. The original video is over here on the left. This is unedited. I simply zoomed in over here on the right-hand side. This caught Carl's attention. That's why he obviously took the video. He noticed this object, and again, this is regular speed. Unedited on the left. I zoomed in on the right. It's just an unusual color for a balloon. We've seen balloons in the daytime sky, and the majority of the ones that we've seen are white. I'm estimating, based off of the approximate height of this thing, that it's got to be around 20 to 30 feet wide. Looks like it's a dark gray, got a little bit of a shine to it on the top. That could be the sunlight shining off of the top of this object. Again, I'm assuming it's probably some sort of a balloon, but you got to ask yourself, what's it doing? Why is it so big, and where did it come from, and where's it going? This isn't something that you can just go pick up at your local convenience store. This is a very large balloon that, again, doesn't appear to have a payload on it. If it did, the balloon would be shaped like a teardrop. This has got more of like an apple shape to it, and it doesn't appear to have anything attached to the bottom side. Here I zoom in very, very close, and once I got in closer to this thing, it looked like it might be even bigger. It's got kind of a shiny appearance to it over here on this side. Obviously, the sunlight shining off the top. It was a clear blue sky day, not a cloud for miles anywhere. And all of these are enhanced versions of a small segment of the entire video that was sent in by Carl. I simply adjusted the lighting and color, trying to pull forward any unique features. Here it's inverted. Light is dark and dark is light, and shaped kind of like an apple at this time. Doesn't look like a typical balloon, even though I think it might be. But the question here is, why so big? Where'd it come from? And where is it going? Most balloons that we've seen, especially in the daytime sky, you can see an obvious payload hanging off of the bottom. In this format here, it's telling us that there are two separate objects in the sky, one large one and one small one, and I'm not sure why. Normally, this is very accurate, and it's telling us there are two objects up there, not just one. But looking at the original video, like you see right here, looks like one large dark gray object in the daytime sky. So I'm leaving this up to you guys to decide. Leave a comment down below in the comment section. If you've seen something like this or happen to know what that is, by all means, leave a comment down below in the comment section. Also in this video, I've got a brand new picture slideshow, new sky phenomenon photos sent in from all around the world. Photo here sent in by Rod out of Visalia, California, of a fiery orange sunset. Another fiery orange sunset by Lilu out of Cloudcroft, New Mexico. Bright orange sky. Troy T out of Victoria, Australia. Big tall double-decker rainbow. Very intense in the skies above Australia. Photo here sent in by Masink out of Maryland, and he couldn't help but notice all the unusual shapes in the sky at sunrise. You can see some big circles over here, a very large obvious one here, and then another one way off in the distance. Photo here sent in by Steph Serenity of some very colorful clouds in the sky in the proximity of the sun, obviously inside Earth's atmosphere. Very colorful sky on this day. Not sure of the location. This next segment is a video clip that was sent in by Barbie D out of Illinois, taken back in January of 2022, of yet another unusual object, this time in the nighttime sky. Appears to be a white object that's very dim. She happened to notice this in the sky above Illinois. Dallas, Fort Worth, another fiery orange sky, sent in by Venom of Osiris. Went from orange to light pink and purple. Great job, guys. Keep the photos coming. If you have any photos you'd like to share, you can send those to reports at MrMBB333.com. And if you have a birthday wish that you would like to share, you can send me an email to michael@earthwatchman.com, and I'll post it here at the website that you can find linked down below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Have a super day, and be safe out there.